Hey YouTube, how we doing today? God, look at the size of this thing. I know, that's what she said. But man, the PMP Prep Box is finally here for this month. Man, we got a story for you after that intro. So man, stay tuned, I'm going to show you what came in this really huge package. God, I know, it sounded bad. That's what she said. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro and those really sophomore jokes. Don't care, they're kind of funny. But for you first time viewers to the channel and you long time viewers, look down here. Okay, look right down here. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, that should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, that way you can feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alrighty guys, so for those of you who missed my channel update, there was a massive problem getting this box here. Now, normally, I'll get my boxes in about a 3 to 5 working day time frame. This one's going on a lot longer than that, alright? It's not Jason's fault, it's the post office's fault. He got right out in front of everything, and he was very transparent about the problems going on. You want the lids? Okay.
This is Peppa Pig. You pull on the wrong box.
Well, I'm sorry, baby. Now, for those of you who just didn't pick up on that, my littlest helper is here in the shop today, and she's going to be making some noise in the background, so let's have some fun with it. Alright, so Jason, and I love what he does with the prep boxes, it's a monthly subscription box service that basically you don't sign up for. You need to keep going back and buying each box and each box and each box. I think it's kind of cool. Now, there's no frills, no filler, none of those tumblers, hats, beer koozies kind of thing. He has one level, and it's going to run you $100 a month plus shipping. Now, we always hold on. As we always do, there's the packing list. Okay? Now, this is what I think is outstanding. So there's your total value of $164.85. You basically pay $100 plus whatever in shipping. And look at that mamma jamma right there. The Condor Heavy Kukuri is the price of the box. I think you should have called this box the Alone Box, because 2 of the items in here were used by contestants on the show. Now, as we always do, we're going to start at the top and work our way down the list. Now, excuse me while I move this big guy out the way. First item up is the Marksman Laserhawk 3 Adjustable Slingshot with a value of $18.95. Now, I'm not going to take this thing out of the package because I think it's going to go either as a giveaway or I think I'm going to give it to a nephew of mine. Alright, basically right down there, underneath that little red thing, is your little screw that you got to adjust. Slingshots, I think, are an invaluable resource. They're lightweight, easy to pack, easy to break down, and with a little bit of practice, you can take down small game. So it's a way to constantly have, I don't really want to say a weapon, but, you know, a hunting implement on you that is renewable, because you can pick up small pebbles and use those. Even with some slight modifications, and I've done it before and it works incredible, you can basically get a little whisker biscuit right there, right in the middle, attach it, and now you can fire arrows out of a slingshot. Those are usually called a sling bow. I made one a little while ago, and if I can remember exactly when, where, and how, and who's, and everything else, I'll put a little card right up there for just a very basic one. You know, it was like one of my first videos years ago. Alright, moving on. Now, on this one, I watched Doc P91B's video, and I have to agree with him. We got the Marksman 1/4 inch hunting shot, 250 pieces. Value basically $5. Alright. I like the fact Jason put it inside a bag because, well, I gave him crap going, dude, you're playing with your balls on Facebook, when his broke open and his balls went everywhere. Sorry, can't resist it. But still, I like the fact that Doc said it, and I agree. If I got this without that, this would be a wasted item. That, without this, is okay, because you can get whatever, but these two together, basically to me, are like one item. Because this just is perfect there. I hope that makes sense. This is great. 250 shots, get outside, practice. I mean, I'm serious. You can get pretty dang good with this and take down small bits of game. You can do target shooting. It's a great experience to get out there and help your children learn something really, really cool. Now, this next item, I gotta tell you, I'm kind of on the fence about. All right? For me, I hate it when companies market something as Special Forces, Elite Military, Tactical. I'm like, just quit cheapening the crap, okay? It is the Cold Steel Special Forces Shovel. Or as I seriously look at this and call it, well, it's a freaking entrenching tool. Alright? I do like the fact there's two really heavy set screws right in here to help secure it right to, the little wood handle. When I saw this a little bit ago, because, full disclosure, I always open these boxes to make sure every item is in there. Because, man, I would love to call Jason and bust him out and go, dude, where is my insert blank? But he's always pretty freaking slick about making sure every item's in the box, you little sneaky bastard. Shameless plug. Love you, Jason. It's got some really heavy snaps on here. Alright, I don't like the fact it looks like there's only one way to attach it to a pack, or through a belt, but that's okay. Wow. Ching! Sounds like a blade coming out. Which it pretty much is, because that's sharpened all the way around. Easy for helping getting in, dig up wood, chopping wood, or even if you have to, you can throw this at someone tomahawk style or use it as a hand-to-hand combat implement. So it's not bad for like $37, $36.95. Not a bad choice. I mean, I think entrenching tools and dual-purpose weapons are something people always seem to overlook in their bug-out bags or their preparing or things along those lines. But this is going to be one when the weather clears up, because I live out here in the Pacific Northwest. And seriously, I'm not really in the mood to go out and dig in the mud just to give that thing a good testing. So when the weather clears up, we're going to do another review video of that and try to see how well it works. Actually, it'd be a second one, because I'm not sure if I'm going to combine two or just do what I usually do, like a tabletop overview of it. But we'll get there later on. Now, this is the one, I got to tell you honestly, when he leaked this, I was like, oh, hell yeah. I love some Condor Blades. Seriously, I got one in a battle box that was designed by Matt Graham. That was on my absolute top 10 I had to have blades. Condor makes incredible products. Kind of like that. Okay, so... Alright, so when you open her up, man, real leather? Oh, dude. That is a hardcore sheath. Okay, looks like it's got, for the padding and everything. I like this. Little Condor logo right there. I like the double stitching. That's going to help. And, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's pretty good leather. Now, that's the one downside for me for carbon steel. I love them, but they will rust if they just sit around. So after you use them, you really, truly need to take care of your products. Don't worry, I'm getting to the blade. I'm getting there.
Doing this so I can have those bubbles.
Okay, baby. Also gives you a little Condor product catalog, which I think is kind of cool.
I don't mean in a moment.
Really?
I won't mean in a moment.
Okay, well, enough stalling. Wow. Okay, it comes pretty much wrapped up. Nice. Let's see if I can get this out of the bag without cutting myself. right.
it's time with the baby over.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright, I can't believe I've got to use it. Yes, I know, Jason. Quit your hissing. I'm using a BattleBox product in one of your videos. Alright, here she is. Look at the frickin' thickness of that steel. Seriously, that is one aggressive kukri. I mean, yeah, I'm going to wipe it down in a little bit. You can still see some of the packing grease on there. If I remember right, that's 1075 high carbon steel. And basically, this is the equivalent of a walnut handle. Because if I remember right, Condor makes a lot of its stuff in South America, and they use a lot of locally sourced products down there. God, it feels good in the hand. Yeah, it really feels good. Wow. I can see why that contestant took this on alone. I really, really can. This is a pretty kick-ass little blade. Not a bad box. Not bad. I mean, okay, I know there's only, if you really want to look at it, only 4 items in here. Because now we're at the fun part where I'm going to do the breakdown review. It's an interesting choice for items. Okay? He gave us a renewable weapon, dual purpose, utility shovel, entrenching tool, which dual purpose items in your pack are always really freaking good. And not to mention, my God, I don't know of any other company out there that's put this in their box. And this is just badass. I mean, the work on the wood, it is seriously smooth. The little brass pins in here, I'm betting they're brass. And just how it feels. Oh, this is beautiful. But all right, enough of me drooling. I want to know what you guys think, Leave your questions, comments, love, hatred, all that good stuff down below, like you guys usually do. I know I'm rolling this one out kind of quick because, honestly, I really want to get to playing around with some of this stuff. And, well, I got my little one here, and she's the boss when she's around. Now, oh, wow. Sorry, I'm just still marveling at that. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. I know there's lots of options out there, and I know this one's coming in a little late to the party, because I know I've seen at least a couple other videos out there for this month's PMP Prep Box. But I gotta say, Jason, you did another good job. I know there's going to be people out there who heavily disagree, especially with the slingshot. They're going to go, oh my God, I can go to Walmart and get it for $5. What the hell? Whatever. Just whatever. Now, for you longtime viewers of the channel who did not do that at the beginning of the video, man, look right down here in that corner, especially with you first-time guys as well, right down there. That's going to be a bigger channel logo. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and hit subscribe, please go ahead and beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, it's going to notify you every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, are going to be popping up. That's right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Now, this is the 11th month that Jason's been able to put out the prep box. We're trying to plan something very, very special for him for next month for his 1-year anniversary box. So make sure you check back, because, man, I don't think you're going to want to miss that video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a great day today.